Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Ram 1505 7 Hemi louder using easy methods. First, let's discuss the most common and straightforward approach, modifying your exhaust system. This can significantly amplify your truck's natural rumble, giving it a more aggressive presence on the road. We'll cover options that are generally simple to install and provide immediate results, allowing you to enjoy a richer, more powerful engine sound without complex procedures. Get ready to hear your Hemi roar. One of the quickest ways to achieve a louder sound is a muffler delete. This involves removing the stock muffler and replacing it with a straight pipe. The result is a significant increase in exhaust volume and a more raw, aggressive tone from your 5.7 Hemi. It's a relatively inexpensive modification, often costing under $200 for parts and labor. While straightforward, professional installation ensures proper fitment and avoids any exhaust leaks, giving you that deep, resonant sound you're looking for. For a more refined yet powerful sound, consider an aftermarket catback exhaust system. These systems replace your factory exhaust from the catalytic converter rearward, often including larger diameter piping and performance mufflers. They are designed to improve exhaust flow and produce a distinct, aggressive sound tailored for the 5.7 Hemi. While the cost can range from $500 to over $1,500, they offer a complete solution with engineered sound characteristics and often a performance boost. Installation is generally bolt-on, making it a popular choice. Beyond exhaust modifications, a cold air intake can contribute to a slightly louder and more aggressive engine sound, primarily by increasing induction noise. These systems draw in cooler, denser air, which can also lead to a small increase in horsepower and torque. While not as dramatic as an exhaust change, it complements other modifications. Additionally, ensuring your engine is well maintained and considering larger exhaust tips can subtly enhance both the sound and appearance of your Ram 1505 7 Hemi. Enjoy your truck's new voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.